In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple businesses in QuickBooks with ease. So, whether you're managing multiple ventures or just exploring how to categorize different income streams, this guide is perfect for you. We'll walk through the steps to enable and use the Track Locations feature so you can better organize your transactions by business. Okay, let's dive right in. First, we're going to need to enable the Track Locations feature in QuickBooks. This is a crucial step because it will allow us to categorize transactions by different businesses. We'll start by navigating to the top right of your QuickBooks dashboard. Go ahead and click on the gear icon you see there. This will open up a menu where you'll find Account and Settings. You'll want to click on that to proceed further. Once you're in the Account and Settings section, look to your left, and you'll see several tabs. What you're looking for is the Advanced tab. Click on it, and it will bring up a range of options related to your accounting preferences. This is where you can make some crucial changes. Within the Advanced settings, you'll find an option to track locations. The wording might vary slightly depending on your version of QuickBooks, but the function remains the same. Click to edit these settings. You'll want to toggle it on to enable this feature. By doing this, you're setting up QuickBooks to keep track of different locations, or in this case, different businesses, within your account. After you've enabled this function, there's a handy little customization tip. Change the location label from its default to something more appropriate like business. This makes it much clearer when you are managing different entities. Once you've made these changes, it's time to save your work. So click on Save and then click Done to exit the settings menu. You've just set the stage for managing multiple businesses. Now, with track locations enabled and customized, every time you create or edit a transaction, you'll see a new option. There's an added field where you can select or even add a business. What this does is it categorizes your transaction accordingly, making it much easier later on when you're reviewing reports or preparing financial statements. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've enabled a powerful tool that allows you to keep your businesses organized and your records clear. Whether you're juggling multiple startups or just like having that extra layer of organization, this method is both simple and effective. Thanks for tuning in, and happy bookkeeping.